In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play multiplayer in Minecraft Bedrock Edition PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are playing Minecraft on PlayStation 5, you can easily set up a multiplayer session, so you can play between you and your friends, or you can join random servers. In this video, I'm gonna be presenting how to do exactly that. I want to make it very clear that I am recording this video on my PC, but don't worry, the process is going to be identical between PC and PlayStation, because Bedrock Edition is the same across platforms. So first, the most important thing by far is that you connect a Microsoft account. So if you haven't signed in using a Microsoft account, do so now. From the home screen, you will see sign in, or you can go over to settings and then choose the account option. The Microsoft account is going to be the bridge between you and your friends. So once you are connected in with a Microsoft account and you have a gamer tag, you can go over to play. And if you want to play between you and your friends, just choose the friends option at the top right and then search for players after you go down. Now look for your friends using their gamer tag. Once you have added them here, if they are on different platforms or even on the same one, you will be able to play together. Now, if all you want to do is play on random servers, then you can go ahead and join them here. So you go over to servers, find a specific one and join. To do multiplayer sessions in a specific world, go to the Worlds tab, make sure that the multiplayer game option is enabled when you go to edit a specific world, and then whoever is going to be hosting joins the world. The host will have to stay inside of the world while they are playing multiplayer, and everyone else will be able to join. So once the host is inside, pause the game at any point and they will see the invite to game option. Choose this, highlight the friends who want to join, and then send out the invites. It is simple to do and they will be able to join you directly. Now, they can also go over to the Friends tab and they will see that you are inside of a session. If they see the Join option, just choose that button and this is also going to work. Regardless of how you choose to do this, everyone will be able to play together in the same world. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.